4 successful Amazon affiliate websites emulate their success. Hey guys, have you been wanting to do an Amazon affiliate website? This video is for you, because I'm not only going to tell you how to do an Amazon affiliate website, I'm going to show you 4 examples of super successful websites that you can actually do a website just like them and make money, of course. Now, if you haven't subscribed so far, please do so. Hit that subscribe button down there. Don't forget to ring the bell. Turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every single time I go live or if I upload a video. All right, let's talk about this Amazon affiliate website thing. This has really taken off. If you want to make a lot of money online passively, be able to work from anywhere in the world, this is the type of business you want to have. Amazon affiliate websites, they're awesome. And like I say, in just a couple minutes I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what they do, show you how they rank, so that you can emulate what they're doing and get some great results too. But quite simply put, having an Amazon affiliate site is very simple. Let me just walk you through the steps. First off, you build a website, okay? And what you do is you set up an Amazon affiliate account. Very simple to do. Go in there and apply. It takes you about 5 minutes, something like that. Once you have your account set up, you'll be able to select any product on Amazon, go up to the top of the page and create a link for that product. Then what you do on your website is you put a link to that product within a blog, a comparison, a review, whatever you want, so that when people click on that link, they're taken to Amazon and they can buy that product. And when they buy that product, guess what? You make money. And you know, the cool thing about it is when they click to go to Amazon, anything that they buy on Amazon, you can make money on after they've used your affiliate link. So that's, in a nutshell, how it works. It's really pretty simple. Okay, let's go over to some of those sites right now. The first one is called The Prepared. So let's check it out. Let's go to that website right now. Okay, let's look at the key statistics first. The domain rating is 36. The number of referring domains is 901. The number of keywords it ranks for is 40,600. The estimated organic traffic is 31,900. And it's been around for about 2 years. Now, here's the cool thing about this. This was founded by John Ramey and John Adama, former advisors at the White House for President Obama. The Prepared is a survivalism type of website that publishes practical guides on preparing for emergencies, from anything from, you know, a hurricane to incidents of war or whatever it may be. For starters, doomsday prepper market is huge. Okay, according to finder.com, there are 160 million Americans that have either purchased survival gear, survival food, or have some type of possession of survival items. Now, of course, The Prepared is not the only website focused on survivalism. There's tons of them like that. Matter of fact, I own one too for Survivalcave food. But the success of this site is really largely down to the owners creating content about evergreen topics. So let's talk about what evergreen topics are right now. An evergreen topic is a topic that's going to last for a long time. Let's say you were doing one on the best tarps, okay, which this website has done. If you're doing one on the best tarps, that's something that people are going to search time and time again. All you have to do is keep it updated. Now, here's an example of their content on tarps right here. As you can see, they're also committed to updating their content regularly to keep it evergreen. After all, there's a list of best tarps there, but you know, it's not going to stay the same. There's new products coming out, you know, there's better ones coming out and all that. So what they do is they keep it updated. Now, they don't have to worry about people's interest going away for this product, because people will always buy tarps. That interest will always be there. So this makes it an evergreen type topic. They can also grow their organic traffic over time as more and more people go to this particular content and read about tarps. Now, this is a very trusted site, and I want to put up on the screen here some comments that I found online. They have this under why you can trust the company, why you can trust this review, and how we tested. We spent 53 hours on this product, okay? And they also say that they bought some of these tarps, and some of them were given to them, but we narrowed that list down to 22 top contenders for brands in field testing. We narrowed that list down to 22 top contenders for hands-on field testing. Essentially what they're doing is they're actually testing the products themselves, which makes the content much more reliable. The next website I want to talk about is called HOMEGROUNDS. HOMEGROUNDS is for the home brewer, the home barista, I guess you would call it. So let's check that site out real quick. Okay, it says brew better coffee. Domain rating is 63, number of referring domains is 1320, number of keywords it ranks for is 136,000. Oh my gosh. Estimated organic traffic is 244,000, and they've been around for about 3 years right now. Now, why they're doing well? Well, they're doing well because they're committed to publishing content that is better than their competitors. This is because the coffee brewing market is really hot right now, and they definitely appreciate content that actually solves their problems. Second, they engineer their competitors content by looking at Ahrefs Site Explorer to uncover content and backlink opportunities that are working for them. If it works for them, it'll probably work for that coffee site too. And they also dig deeper into the keywords, and they think about the search intent rather than just saying I want to use these words. They look at the intent. Why is somebody putting in coffee maker? Is it to repair their coffee maker? Is it to buy their coffee maker? Is it to compare a whole bunch of different coffee makers? What is the actual intent? They dig deeper and they get into that, and that's what they write content about. The next thing I want to talk about is Dog Food Advisor. That's number 3, Dog Food Advisor. Now, there's a whole lot of information about pets out there, but Dog Food Advisor, well, it's really niche. Let's check it out. Dog Food Advisor has a domain rating of 76. They have 5,890 referring domains. They have 203,000 keywords it ranks for, and the estimated organic traffic is 594,000. That's pretty darn high. The pet market is actually ginormous. It's been estimated that $75 billion was spent by pet owners just in 2019 alone, with $31 billion on pet food alone. So that's the site's success. Instead of just writing broadly on pet products, they have niched down to pet food. So it becomes a resource. As a matter of fact, on this site, they actually regularly publish any recalls on dog food, so you can constantly go back there and see if the dog food you have is on the recall list. So it becomes a resource. It becomes a trusted resource, and since it's a trusted resource, people come there time and time again. And when they recommend a good dog food and people click on it, they're going to end up at Amazon. They can buy that product, and this site is going to make money. So it's an extremely helpful site to the pet owner, and it makes the site owner a lot of money because they're providing great content. Okay, number 4 is PC Part Picker. PC Part Picker. Okay, let's go over to PC Part Picker and check it out. Okay, we're here now at PC Part Picker. Let's check out all the stats first. Domain rating is 74, number of referring domains is 8,810, number of keywords it ranks for is 785,000. Estimated organic traffic is 3,100,000, and it's been around for about 9 years. Now, PC Part Picker is pretty cool site. It's really a tool in itself, because what it does is it allows people to put together all the components to build a computer. Now, if you think about this, and I've never built a computer before, I imagine it's pretty hard. It can be pretty complicated. There's a lot of parts to a computer, and you want to make sure you're buying all the right parts. Now, here's the tricky thing. Not all parts are compatible with other parts. And how do you know? You go to PC Part Picker, because they have a tool on there that lets you know if every component is going to be compatible. And once you've sorted all that out and you've got all the parts picked out, guess what you can do? You can click on those parts and you'll be taken to Amazon, and you can actually buy those parts. So what have they done here? They've helped somebody out. They've helped somebody select the right components that are all going to work together, and then they allowed them to click on those parts and go to Amazon and actually buy the part. And when they buy the part, guess what? The site owner makes money. Pretty cool deal, right? It's a very helpful site. It's very trusted. They have a lot of links to things like The Verge and PC magazines, and they have these trusted links because these trusted sources know that they can trust PC Part Picker. They know it's good content, so they want to link to it. So those are 4 really great sites you can look at. You can go in there, you can analyze those sites, you can get information, and you now know how to set up a site that is going to be a review site or a helpful site or whatever it is all you have to really do is pick your niche. What are you interested in? What are you interested in that you could sell some products on Amazon? Write down 3 or 4 things that have interest for you that are really niche down. Now think about the dog food one. It wasn't just pet supplies, it was a dog food advisor. Okay, that's all they talked about was dog food. And the more niche down you are, the more sales you'll get. When it's more generalized, you may get more traffic, but you won't get as many sales as you would on a site that's more niche down. So that's it. All you got to do now is get started. But some of you may have questions, and if you do, feel free to put your questions in the comment section below. If you have any comments, you can put that down there. If you have ideas for other videos that you want to see me do some training on, put that also in the comment section below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That really helps these videos, guys. If you would just click that right now, I'll give you a second. Did you do it? Did you do it? Go ahead. You got it? Okay, cool. Now that you've given me a thumbs up, if you don't mind subscribing, hit that subscribe button down there so you can get more content like this. Don't forget to ring the bell. And by ringing the bell, in other words, turning on all bell notifications, when you click that bell, you will get a drop down and click get all notifications. The reason you want to do that is every time I upload a video or I go live, you'll be notified. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate you helping me grow the channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.